Good morning, students. We have revised, completed the exercise 11.1 and 11.2, and today I am going to start the exercise 11.3. What is in that exercise? In that, the curved surface area, lateral surface area, total surface area of cube and cuboid. That I am going to explain. Beta, in front of the board, this is a cuboid. Cuboid means length, breadth and height, all three are not equal. That is known as cuboid. But if all the three are equal, that is cube. Now we want to calculate the total surface area of this. How many surfaces are there? One is this, two is this. Roof and ceiling and floor both have the same area. These 3 and 4 part side walls have the same area, and this front wall, this one I want to write 5, and this back side is 6. Front and back both have same area. So what is the total surface area of cuboid? The area of floor and ceiling, L into B, 2LB. Area of both these 6 faces are there. Area of third and fourth faces is base into h. This breadth into height. This one. And the same area is this. So 2BH, B into H. And area of the front face and back side is length into height. So 2LH. So this one is the total surface area of cuboid. Now I am writing the lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area. Beta, lateral surface area means area other than top and bottom. Top and bottom को छोड़ दो, means leave 2LB, leave it. That is what 2BH plus 2LH. This is the lateral surface area of anything, whatever the figure is given. If you want to calculate the lateral surface area, then calculate the area of all the faces other than top and bottom. Or you can write it like this, 2 into LH, L को पहले लिख लो, L into B into H. This one is also lateral surface area. Or 2 into L plus B is what? Perimeter. So perimeter into height is also lateral surface area in case of cuboid. But in case of cube is what? The total surface area is, because all the sides are equal, then total surface area of cube is 6 into side square, edge square, 6x. If length is x, breadth is x and height is x. Lateral surface area is what? 4 into side square, because 4 faces are there. And all the faces in case of cube are equal. So this is the total surface area and lateral surface area in case of cube. This one. So take care of all these. Next, I am going to explain all this in case of cylinder also. In case of cylinder, this is the shape of cylinder, like this, and it is round at the top and bottom. These are circular. This is the top, this is the bottom, both are circular. It is 3-dimensional figure. cuboid also 3-dimensional figure. So this is the radius of the top, same radius is at the base, and this is the height of the cylinder. If it is horizontal, then it called length. So beta, in this, first of all, the lateral surface area. In case of cylinder, we can also call it curved surface area or curved surface area. Both are same thing. In this, if we cut it from the along its side and spread it, so it will be like rectangular sheet. Then we fold it, it will be a square. Then this side is at the bottom, circular is there, that is circumference. अगर ऐसे है ना तो ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे तो circumference हो जाएगी, that is 2 pi r. Circumference of the base is 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r h is the lateral surface area or curved surface area, and total surface area of cylinder is what? Lateral. Lateral में क्या होता है? You exclude the top and bottom, to add this top, area of top is what? Pi r square, and bottom is what? Pi r square. So what is the total surface area? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So this is the lateral surface area and curved total surface area of cylinder. Now keep in mind all these formulas, only value of r and h is required. ठीक है? You can also write it, take 2 pi r common and then h plus r. 2 pi r right outside, left over terms is h plus r. So total surface area is this also. So beta, only r and h is required. If radius and height of cylinder is given, we can calculate the curved surface area or total surface area. Now I am going to discuss the numerical problems. 11.3 exercise, question number 1. Read the following and tell about true or false. What is first? Total surface area of a cube is greater than its lateral surface area. Yes बेटे, total तो lateral से ज़्यादा ही होता है, because in total it covered all the 6 faces, and in lateral that is the area of only 4 faces. So it is true. B part है इसका, the total surface area of cylinder is the total sum of 2 pi r h and twice the area of its base circle. Yes, it is also true. Up and top and bottom both are circular, area of that and plus lateral surface area 2 pi r h. C part है, lateral surface area of cuboid is height multiplied by the sum of the length and breadth. Lateral surface area of cuboid 2bh plus 2lh, that is the lateral surface area. And what is that? H is common? No, it is wrong. ये नहीं आएगा उसमें, it is false. D part है, total surface area of a cube is twice its lateral surface area. No, total surface area of a cube is 6 side square and lateral surface area is 4 into side square. So it is also not right. Now next is area of 4 walls is the total surface area of cuboid. No, that is lateral. बेटे top and bottom को छोड़ के तो lateral ही होता है. F part है, curved surface area of cylinder with radius 1.4 and height is 7. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. तो F part में curved surface area of सिलेंडर क्या होता है 2 पाई आर एच. नाउ आर इज व्हाट गिवन, रेडियस इज 1.4, put radius 1.4 and height is 7 centimeter and check whether it is 88 or not. Then write true or false. If it is equal to 88, then write true, otherwise false. Now next part G. G part is what? 192 meter wallpaper is needed to decorate a room of dimension this. It is length is 8, breadth is 6 and height is 4. So you can calculate the total surface area of room. वॉलपेपर से वो सीलिंग करना है ना, तो नॉट टोटल, ओनली कर्व्स लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ रूम इज रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज वॉलपेपर विल बी पेस्टेड ऑन वॉल ओनली. तो फॉर वॉल्स, एरिया ऑफ फॉर वॉल्स 2 into L plus B into H. If it is equal to 192, then write it is given 192. You can check whether 192 is true or false. ठीक है, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ एल एंड बी. नेक्स्ट एच पार्ट. एच पार्ट इज व्हाट? कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 168. 2 पाई आर एच is equal to 168. If altitude is 7, height is 7, then find the what is the diameter. तो r निकालो यहाँ से भाई. पाई इज ऑल्सो 22/7. solve for r and then solve for 2r. That is required. If it is 12, then it is right, otherwise it is wrong. I part a surface area of a cubical water tank of side 4 is 1596. भाई क्यूब है कोई. जी पार्ट दे, आई पार्ट में बेटे क्यूब इज गिवन एंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए क्यूबिकल वाटर टैंक. टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है? सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब है बेटे, क्यूब क्या होता है? 6 into साइड स्क्वेयर. 4 square 16, 16 6 जा. What is the 16 6 जा? It is not equal to 1596. So it is also false. ठीक है. In this way you can check all the true and false part of question number 1. Now in question number 2, just like A part, circumference of the cylinder is given and height is given. 2 pi r is given, that is 156 centimeter, and height is given 21 centimeter. So solve for r from here. You can find it. 2 pi r into 1/2. Pi is what? 22/7. So it will be 7/22. Find the radius from here. Radius यहाँ से आ जाएगा. H is given. And now find lateral surface area and total surface area. Now solve for 2 pi RH and 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. That is total surface area. This one is required. So in this way bete you can solve question number 2, A, B, C part, D part also. Radius and heights are given. Find the 2 pi r and 2 pi r into h plus r. Same thing is in question number 3. length, breadth and height are given. If all the threes are equal, then he want to talk about cube, and if all three are not equal, then in that case cuboid is there. Only total surface area and lateral surface area is required. ठीक है, up to question number 3 you complete this exercise, and remaining I will discuss in next video. Till then, bye.